Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Make some noise. And this time I am at Gujarat in the city of Anand. And just tomorrow is Makar Sankranti, one of the major festival of Gujarat, and lots of crowd in the road you can see, and it's a festive movement. And you know, every festive is important, and it is nicely decorated throughout the city. Yeah. If you think that the place I have shown through this video it is just somewhere else, but it's not like that. To justify that, I am showing you that this is the Anand railway station. Yeah, and there is our national flag. It is the view of night 11:30 in front of my hotel where I am staying, and you can see the crowd. I don't know that how much craze have for this festive, but it's really amazing to see, to be the witness of such a thing. Yeah. And there is the hotel. Yeah. So that was the surrounding crowd before the festival of Makar Sankranti, and you have seen that it is how beautifully decorated, and how the city has been just light up for the festive. Yeah. And probably so tomorrow is the festival, so hope actually I don't know that what is the importance of this festival and what is the history behind it, uh, but let it be tomorrow, and hopefully I will just enjoy it, and hopefully I will if possible then I will show you that how it has been decorated. And mostly I have seen that kite is being sold. Yeah. And lots of things. So thank you guys for watching, and Anand is a really beautiful place. If you can come here, you will enjoy its beauty. Yeah.